Can I have high five, Ezekiel? Oh.
Oh, she saved you.
Oh.
Okay, take a ride.
Oh. Ayun. You wanna go in here?
Ezekiel, have a ride, anak ko. Wow.
Ooh.
You try?
Oh, bakit bukas? Nag-eat siya?
No.
Her diaper is open here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Kasi
okay.
ano na,
Oh.
masikip na.
Oh.
Oh, big girl now.
Naku, hindi niyo pinapansin yung kanya.
I know. Wow.
Hayaan mo, magugustuhan din yan.
Can you open this?
You should be able to open this one. Kala ko. Oh.
Ezekiel! Now, it's only good for 1 minute. Iba na yung gusto niya yun.
Ezekiel.
Pero once na ma-experience nila na mag-ride sa labas,
Yeah.
magugustuhan din yan. Ay! Yay! Come on na. Sakay na. Hindi pa kasi ano. Pero ano yan, ma-appreciate.